Hi, this is Amanda from A Style Photography and Create Meow. Here's a quick tip on how to add a social media quote to a photo for Facebook or Instagram. So first in Photoshop, you can use the crop tool and you can choose width, height, and resolution. And then you want to do 1080 pixels. And actually, you don't want to do inches. That would be huge. You want to make sure it's pixels. So 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels at 72 pixels per inch. And then you can crop to the image by dragging the corner, and then you press enter to crop. You can double click the hand tool so you can see the image big. Then you can take the text tool, that is the T, the horizontal type tool, and you can click and drag a text box. And then you can type in your quote, or you can paste it if you have already copied it from another source. And then you can adjust it. You can change the font size. So up here in the text tool option bar, there's all different options like a regular typing program. And you can change the color. If you want to do like this orange of the flower, you can use the eyedropper tool to select a certain color in the image. And then you can highlight the text and choose that orange from your color swatch down here on the left. And it'll be that same orange as the flowers in the image. You can drag it around with the move tool. And it's kind of blending in with the flowers. So you can actually, in your layers palette, if you don't see your layers, you can go to window and click on layers and it'll pop up. You can choose this when you have to be on the right layer. So when you're on the text layer, you can choose this FX symbol and you can choose a drop shadow. I'm gonna move this up so I can see it, but that added a drop shadow, but you have all different options, such as the spread and the distance from the item, how much, the opacity, the size. And you can also, if you want, you can add like a stroke. And that's a little too thick. So I'm going to change it maybe to a 1 pixel stroke. And you have all different options. You can add a glow to it. You can add bevel emboss. But with each option, you have more options too. So you can make it uniquely yours, like that embossed it. So I think I kind of like that one. And then hit OK. And then you can just save it. And I always do save as a name. And I would save one version as a PSD for myself so that I can keep it in case I needed to edit it. And then I would save another as a JPEG. I need to flatten it first or save it as a copy to be able to save it as a JPEG. And then the JPEG is ready to share on social media.